Hey everyone, Merry Christmas! For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a realistic Santa Claus face. So hope you follow along, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas today. Now to start off with our Santa face, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and down. I'm going to leave some space, and then I'll make another little line that's just going to curve up and down. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve a line that comes up, and then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to curve a line that comes up. Next, let's make a circle shape inside each one for the pupil. And then I'm going to go and make a smaller circle inside of here. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white at the top and around the edge. Same thing here, just color in most of it, leaving a little bit white around the top and the edge. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve around. And then we'll make another little line right down here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve over here, and then another one's going to curve over here. Now I'm just going to make a line that comes up, and then another little one over here. Now I want to make the eyebrows. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up here, and another line that's going to come up here for the eyebrows. And then I'm going to make just some little kind of pointed lines on here just for some extra little texture. So I'll just make some little pointed lines on here. Then we'll draw another little line right above each eye. And then a little one right underneath each eye. Now right underneath here, let's make the mustache. So I'm going to make some little pointed lines that just curve down on each side. And then I'm going to curve them up. I'm going to bring them down. And then I'm just going to curve them right up to here. And then I like to add a couple little curved lines in here just to add a little bit of texture. Then we'll make a little line that's going to go down, over, and then up. And then I'll make another one that's going to go down, over, and then up for the lips. I'll make a little line across for the tongue. And then I'm just going to color the rest of this in. Just to kind of show where the back of the mouth is. Now starting up here, I'm going to curve a line for the cheeks. I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to curve it in for the cheeks. Then I'll make a couple little zigzag lines that come up. And then I'm just going to make a little bit of a textured line right across the top. Oh, we can make these lines come out a little bit. Then I'm going to bring this line down on each side, make it kind of pointed. And then we're just going to make it nice and big and round on each side. So I'm just making this nice and big, adding lots of little points and everything. And then right over here, I'm going to add just a couple little lines coming down for a little bit of detail. And then I like to add some quick little lines where all these little kind of points are, just to add some nice texture onto the beard. You don't want too many lines or else they'll start to kind of take away from that nice bright white look. Now I'm going to add another little curved line right inside of here just to show his cheeks are nice and full. And then we'll add a couple little lines up here. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down on each side with a little curved line right here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come up from one ear. It's going to go down to the other ear. Then starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then I'm going to come down to here. And then I'm going to start a little line right up here with another little wrinkle line right there. And then I'm just going to go and make kind of like a bumpy circular shape right over here for the end of the hat. Now I'm going to add just a couple little lines for some texture. And then I'll add a few little broken lines up here and a couple little lines on the top of the hat. And there you go, there is your drawing of a realistic Santa face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.